Alright guys, and on today's episode, trying to load some bricks on the trailer. Let's say this pallet of bricks weighs more than that little forklift right there. Wow. I was wondering why the truck was sagging so much from the back. The damn fittings for the airbags are broken. Someone replaced the quick connect angle fittings on the bags, and they're broke on both sides. Let's figure what size socket that is. You got the first one out with the neckline. It went like that. Yeah, we got him, guys. Let's go buy the replacement.
And we're off. Let's go get parts.
We're back. Got the fittings. Give me a different style, but they were the only ones that had it. Only like $23 for both of them. You wanna hold there? Oh man. The ultimate test, guys. Let's check. Hopefully there's no leaks. Can you see it lift up? Yeah, she lifted up. Inflated. This bad boy is inflated. She's sitting a little better. Fill it up a little bit more. Got it at about 18 psi. I'll put it at maybe 20, 25. Quick elbow, quick connect fittings, and we're ready to go. And it's all loaded, baby.